Hello and welcome to our series of festive foliage workshops. Today we're going to be making a really easy set of candle decorations. If you've been following our other videos in this series, you'll probably have some bits and pieces left over. So here's a stylish way to use them up. You'll need pillar candles, elastic bands, ribbon in 2 different widths, scissors and some sticky tape. You'll also need your foliage. Today we're using conifer, ivy, skimmia, variegated holly, eucalyptus and olive. Place an elastic band around the candle. Thread stems of foliage under the elastic band. Then just continue all the way around until you're back where you started. Trim the stems. Cover the elastic band with a wider ribbon. Secure it at the back with a piece of tape. Take the narrow ribbon and wrap it around the candle so it sits in the middle of the wider ribbon. Then finish with a bow. And there you have it, a simple and thrifty candle decoration. Group them together to create a centerpiece or dot them around your home.